Here we are ripping out the flashing that someone put in later on after they put on the second siding, and then they tarred the heck out of it over here, and I'm removing it, and it's making me think how much I dislike tar. I've never really seen a good application for it, and in my opinion it's just using someone else's waste, and it doesn't hold up. And it's a lovely place for ants. They just love it when you get some moisture in it. They really go to town, and you can see we have a lot of them here. So we're removing all their hiding places, removing that cardboard siding basically is what it is, with tar on top of it. And then we're going to go back to the original wood here, so there's not going to be a spot. We'll have to put new flashing on here because this is destroyed. It might have been before, but if not, it held the moisture and then got worse over time. So back to ripping out the tar and the other stuff.